Is that something y'all would like to see? All you have to do is take a look to the sky. Now, isn't this a site worth protecting out in wild places? Thank you so much. This is absolutely incredible. Make sure to keep your phones and cameras up because you never know when these birds might be heading out on their next adventure. So hard to imagine that there are fewer than 400 of these birds left out in wild places. But it does sound like these birds are about ready to take off on their next adventure. Keep your phones and cameras up. We're going to watch as these birds take flight. Oh, it's a dramatic effect.